It's X Metal time. Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. It's been a while since we've taken a look at a pair of X Metals. That's crazy because we have so many X Metals to go through. So today we're going to be unofficially unboxing a very cool pair of OCP Juliets, X Metal with Polarized Ice. But before we get into that, you know what to do. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, and of course, do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. And I always say this, but I mean it. Make sure you guys check out our other videos. We have so much awesome and so much exclusive content you're only going to see here. And definitely check out my book. I lived in a homeless shelter in high school and still managed to retire early at the age of 46. You can retire early too. Read my book. It will change your life. Links are going to be below in the description. Do not miss out on this. So, of course, X Metals forged with a proprietary titanium-based alloy at 3,600 degrees with a 450,000 watt generator. Arguably the coolest, most innovative sunglasses ever produced. And right here behind me, we've got a brand new pair, never worn, never even tried on. OCP, Oakley Custom Program, X Metal with Polarized Ice. Now, at the end or near the end of the product life cycle, Oakley offered the X Metals, including the Juliets, the X Squareds, and the Half X in OCP. But it was for a relatively short period of time. Well, we took advantage of that opening, that window, and we ordered a ton of these things. So this is one of them. And back in the day, many times, besides this cool box with the old Oakley custom logo, come on in so we can kind of take a look at this. Besides this, they would actually put a sticker on the end with a silhouette, kind of like a diagram, if you will, of the Juliets, right? So that was really cool. I really like that. That was a very nice touch. And they stopped doing that after a little while too, though. So that was unfortunate. But let's open these up, and you pretty much know what to expect. Unfortunately, if I remember correctly, they did not include the X Metal coin in these, right? When you got the OCP versions. But they did, of course, include the standard paperwork, the 1-year warranty, the registration by mail, right? We're not going to go through that because that's pretty standard. And they would also include an extra set of nose bombs and probably temple shocks as well, if I remember correctly. Again, it's been a while, guys. I apologize. And this may or may not be the correct box because, again, we ordered so many of these, but it would have come in a box just like this, which, of course, is why the tag is here on the side. But let's check these out. And I know my wife is going to bust my chops, but I'm going to say it anyway. This is one of my favorite color combos for OCP for the Juliets. X Metal with Ice. And in this case, of course, we up the ante with Polarized Ice. Definitely one of my favorites. Maybe I should hold still for a second so we can get a good thumbnail for the video. All right, so let's check these out. I really like this color combo. And unfortunately, we don't have enough natural lighting. Today, it's a little bit overcast out, so we had to turn on the lights here. But I think you can still see for the most part. Look at how nice that, oh man, and these hinges are tight. I mean, they are really tight. And you can see we completed this with the blue unobtainium kit, ear socks, temple shocks, and nose bombs, right? And interestingly, little fun fact, the blue unobtainium kit was not available for many, many years. It was only available if you were to purchase a Japanese exclusive release for the Ichiro Suzuki Juliets, one of at least two. I know they had the polished with slate, and then they had the carbon with double O blue. But you had to purchase the Ichiro Suzuki set to get the blue unobtainium until the end of the product life cycle of the Juliets and the X Metals in general. And then OCP, they finally opened it up and they offered this blue unobtainium, which was really cool. But that really completes the look. Now, these again are polarized. They do have the polarized etching here in the lens. I'm going to hold these up to the light to see if we can capture this. It's going to be a little tough. Let me see if we can get it. All right. So you guys can see it there. Please bear with us. It's there. I'm trying to get it. Can you tap the screen there so we can kind of focus this? This thing is, and maybe zoom in a little bit. It's right there. Yeah, you can kind of see the etching there. It's tough to see, but it is polarized. See if you can tap that again. See if we can get that in focus. It's tough to get in focus, guys, but you can kind of see the etching there. So you have to trust me when I say, yeah, these are polarized. But flex couplers, man, these things are tight, nice, brand new, factory fresh. Am I going to try them on? You guys know what Juliets look like, right? I'm not going to try these on. I've tried on other Juliets, but we will do a quick close-up of these to showcase just how great they look, because they do look fantastic. Again, one of my favorite color combinations, X Metal with polarized ice. Maybe we can get a better shot here to see the polarized etching. Maybe not. Oh, wait a minute. Is that it? Did we get it? Oh, we can see it a little bit there, barely, in the lens. Just a beautiful color combination. Timeless classic. These things will never go out of style. And of course, the frames are virtually indestructible. What an awesome pair of shades. Let us know what you guys think, of course, in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.